birds and animals world. Are you ready? Then let's go! Lion. Let's say it again. Lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Ostrich. What is it? Ostrich. It is the world's largest bird. Tiger. Come on, kids. Let's say it again. Tiger. Wow. Tiger is fast runner. Penguin. What's that? Penguin. Wow, it is so cute. Deer. Deer. It has long legs. Owl. Say it again. Owl. It is a night bird. Horse. What's that? Horse. It is very intelligent. Parrot. Kids, say it again. Parrot. Parrot is a pet bird. Turtle. What is it? Turtle. Do you know? It walks slowly. Falcon. Kids, can you say it again? Falcon. It is very fast. Sheep. What's that? Sheep. It is very clever. Crow. Come on, kids. You can say it. Crow. It is very intelligent bird. Giraffe. What's that? Giraffe. Wow, it has very long neck. Pigeon. What is it? Pigeon. It is fast bird. Zebra. Let's try it again. Zebra. Wow, it's black and white. Swallow. Say it again. Swallow. It is a small bird. Snake. Snake. It has long body. Swan. What's that? Swan. It is a large flying bird. Frog. Frog. It has a long tongue. Cuckoo. Kids, can you say it again? Cuckoo. Wow, it has a long tail. Dog. Kids, you know it already. Dog. It is a pet animal. Crane. What is it? Crane. It is the tallest flying bird. Cat. Come on, kids, say it again. Cat. Wow, it's so cute. Woodpecker. Say it again. Woodpecker. Do you know? It lives in trees. Cow. Cow. It gives milk. Sparrow. Come on, kids, try it again. Sparrow. Oh, it is very innocent. Bear. What's that? Bear. Bear is very playful. Hen. Hen. Hen lays eggs. Wolf. Wolf. It runs fast. Loon. What is it? Loon. It lives on water. Elephant. Kids, you know it already. Elephant. Wow, it's so big. Cassowary. Come on, kids. Let's say it again. Cassowary. You know, it is a big bird, but it cannot fly. Panda. Panda. Panda is helping animal. Hummingbird. Come on, kids, you can say it. Hummingbird. It is the smallest bird. Monkey. Hey kids, you know it already. Monkey. It is very intelligent. Peacock. What is that? Peacock. Wow, it is so beautiful. Goat. Goat. It is a pet animal. Tit. Tit. Wow, it is very cute. Hamster. What's that? Hamster. Do you know? It cannot see colors. Booby. Say it again. Booby. It has blue feet. Squirrel. Come on, kids. Let's try it again. Squirrel. It is blind. Blue jay. What is it? Blue jay. Wow, it is a songbird. Hippopotamus. Come on, kids, you can say it. Hippopotamus. It loves water. Goose. What is that? Goose. It is the largest water bird. Toucan. Say it again. Toucan. Toucan has long beak. Rhinoceros. Let's say it again. Rhinoceros. Wow, it's very big. Finch. Finch. Wow, it has beautiful colors. Donkey. What is it? Donkey. It is a pet animal. Say it again. Heron. It lives above the water. Quokka. What is that? Quokka. It is very peaceful animal. Robin. Robin. Wow! It is a songbird. Hyena. Let's try it again. Hyena. It has large head. Emu is the second largest bird in the world. Gorilla. What is that? Gorilla. It is very clever. Bat. Bat. It is the only flying mammal. Otter. Come on, kids. Let's say it again. Otter. Otter lives in fresh water. Kingfisher. What's that? Kingfisher. It is famous for hunting fish. Dinosaur. Say it again. Dinosaur. Dinosaurs were found millions of years ago. Starling. What's that? Starling. Do you know, kids? It mimics other birds. Sloth. Sloth. It can swim. Dove. What is it? Dove. Dove is the symbol of peace. Rabbit. Let's say it again. Rabbit. Rabbit is master of hearing. Eagle. Come on, kids, let's try it again. Eagle. It is an excellent hunter. Camel. Kids, can you say it? Camel. It is also known as the ship of the desert. Duck. What's that? Duck. Do you know, kids? It is a friendly animal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more learning videos.